The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway project is the first high-speed railway in Indonesia and Southeast Asia, with a total length of 88 miles and a maximum design speed of 217 miles per hour. SANY has provided more than 500 units of equipment to participate in the construction and was responsible for the entire line of earth and tunneling operations, concrete transportation and pumping, grouting piles and hoisting. The rock in the tunneling construction area was very hard, but SANY's tunneling machine successfully overcame the construction challenges. The overall operational availability of SANY equipment was over 98%, which is the records for the local heavy industry.